Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Globally Mag. This is Captain Wolf, and in today's video we are going to learn how to use Google Slides to create presentations. So before we proceed with our video, if this is the first time if you have come to my channel, then I will ask you to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon and select all to ensure that you get all the notification whenever I upload any video on my channel. So let's get started with Google Slides. If you are familiar with Google Slides, then you will know that how effective it is, because sometimes you might face problems and you might not feel like sharing your presentations in Microsoft PowerPoint with anyone, and sometimes you will find that there's compatibility error and there are lots of other things need to be considered. So and similarly, in case if you want to create presentations for a team where you need more than one or two people, or maybe 5 to 10 people working on the same slides, then it'll most effective to use Google Slides, because at the same time you can share the link and everybody can share their part and keep on editing the Google Slides. So in the first step, how to access Google Slides? Well, it's very easy. If you have a Gmail account, then all you need to do is to go to your Gmail account. Here you can see that there are numerous icons over there. If you are going to press it, it is going to show you different Google apps. So when I click it, as you can see that it is showing me different Google apps that I can use of. And from here, if you scroll down, you will see the option of slides. And if you click the slide option, you will see a new window opens, and here the slides interface is open and Google is providing you with an opportunity to work on different presentations that you want to. It has a built-in template gallery which provides you with very beautiful built-in templates that you can easily make use of, and they are very effective and predefined because they are basically built-in professional templates that you can use and just make some editing in them and can utilize them for your own personal use. And they have divided all these modules in different categories. As you can see, this is the personal category. You will find journal presentations, recipe book, lookbook, party invitation, and if you scroll down you will see that there's a work category. So in case if you want to share your professional work with anyone, and if you want to present your work or any business idea or something like that, you can choose among different presentation modules from here as well. As you can see, there is consulting proposals, case studies, professional profile, employee certificate, and if you scroll down more, you will find that there's another category, education, and here they have also provided you with different templates that you can use of. So in today's video, we are going to move up with consulting proposals. So let's just select the template, and you will see that the built-in template will be copied into your slide, and it will have a predefined format in it. As you can see that all the slides in the consulting proposal have been uploaded in my window, and you can see that there are 20 slides in total, and in different slides you can see that they have showcased their own different personal profile and professional profile, and you can easily change them according to your needs. There are different charts over there. There are different types of charts such as bar charts. As you can see that here you can see the percentage chart. You can easily insert pictures. Similarly, you will find different sort of statistics being shared, and this is how easy it is to use Google Slides. So if you don't have a built-in template, or if you don't have any idea about anything, you can easily utilize any of these templates and make changes according to your need. It is very easy to make the changes. If you come up to the slide, you can just click anything that you want to change and you can just easily change it. So let's just make it Captain Wolf and Global Emac. As you can see that these are very basic drag and drop functions, and you can take use of. You can easily drag as much as you want. You can change the font size, you can change the font style. There are different fonts available that you can easily read. All these fonts are very common and basic and can easily utilize anywhere that you want to. And to say the least, all the built-in functions of Microsoft PowerPoint can be accessed online, so there's no need to worry. And most importantly, your work will be saved and you can easily access your work remotely because it is going to save your work in your Google Drive, and accordingly you can change anything that you want. If you want to insert new slide, you can easily insert it. As you can see that the blank slide has been inserted, and if you want to delete any slide, you can easily delete them. And in this way you have all the possibilities that you can think of. You can easily insert the images that you want. So you can easily search whatever you want. Let's say if you want to search project objectives, Google is going to show you different images and you can easily just select them and hit the insert icon, and Google is going to show that image into your slide, and then you can easily drag and drop it. This is how easy it is to take use of this Google slide, and I will be creating more videos about how to create professional presentations and share with your colleagues. So before logging off, make sure that you rename your slide as you want so that whenever you want to change anything, you know that which file you have created, it is already shared in the Google Drive and you can easily showcase as you want. As you can see that it provides you with presentation view. You can easily see how your presentation look like and just click on and you will be seeing your own presentation. So this is how easy it is to take use of Google Slides. So thank you for watching my video, and in the end, if this is the first time you have come to my channel, do not hit do not forget to hit the subscribe icon. Thank you for watching. Take care.